Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Butterfly Gala, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have my Stampin' Pierce mat, and I have a piece of Whisper White. I'm going to bring in my Night of Navy, and we're going to be using this butterfly and the thank you very much and the little antennas and the wings. Now I'm only going to be stamping this bigger butterfly. All right. And then I have his little belly here. And now I'm bringing in my balmy blue. And I'm going to get the top wings. And then I'm going to get the bottom. I'm going to ink that up again. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my butterfly duet punch, and this, if you get it in a bundle, you will save 10%. I'm just going to pop that out, and then I'm going to come in with my bone folder, and I just want his wings out just a little like that. I'm going to take my punch again, and I'm going to punch that out with the silver foil paper. All right, and then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 4 by 2 1/4. And then I have thank you very much. And let's see, I'm going to do that in the Night of Navy. And this is mounted on block C, or D rather. So I'm going to put it over here in the left bottom corner, just like that. And now we can start putting this card together. I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. And I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 2 1/2 by 4 1/4. So it's just going to make a border like that. And then I have a strip from the Needlepoint Nook Designer Series paper, and this measures 1 1/4 by 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 1 1/2 by 4 1/4. So just like that. And then our card base is balmy blue, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. Get our Night of Navy strip. And we're going to butt it up here to the top, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to put that right here. And then I'm going to get one more dimensional. And I'll put it right there in his belly. Just like that. Excuse me. And then I am going to get a glue dot. And we're going to pop him up a little bit. So, just like that. And there you have it, a quick and simple card to thank someone. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!